$500 in 1 week, starting from zero, no experience, no audience, and no product. I'm going to show you the exact 3-step method people are using right now to do this with AI. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start today, not next week, today. Welcome to StackEarnAI, the channel dedicated to showing you real, actionable ways to use AI to make money online. What I'm about to show you isn't theory. These are methods working right now in 2026. Let's break it down into 3 steps. Step 1, pick your AI service. Here's the fastest path to $500. You don't create a product. You don't build an audience. You sell an AI-powered service to businesses who need it right now. Here are 3 that are wide open in 2026. First, AI short-form video editing. Small businesses need content but have no idea how to use OpusClip or InVideo. You charge $300 to $500 to create a month of social media content for them, and it takes you about 3 hours using AI tools. Second, AI copywriting. Restaurants, real estate agents, local gyms, they all need emails, ads, and social captions. You use ChatGPT to write it in 20 minutes and charge $150 to $300 per package. Third, AI thumbnail design. YouTube creators desperately need better thumbnails. You use Canva's AI tools to create 5 thumbnails for $100. Takes you 45 minutes. These aren't complicated. They're just AI skills that businesses are willing to pay for right now. Step 2, find your first client in 24 hours. Open Instagram. Search any local business in your city. Restaurant, gym, salon, real estate agent. Look at their social media. I guarantee it's inconsistent, low quality, or basically dead. That's your opening. Send them this exact message. Write this down. Hey, I was checking out your page and I think I can get you 3 times more engagement with a new content strategy. I'm offering a free trial this week. No cost, no commitment. Want to see what I can create for you? Free trial removes all the risk for them. You do the work using AI tools in about an hour. They see the results, then you pitch the paid package. Out of every 20 businesses you message, at least 2 will say yes. 2 clients at $250 each is your $500 week. Right there. Step 3, scale it with automation. Once you land those first 2 clients, don't stop there. Use Zapier to automate your content delivery. Use ChatGPT to batch create a whole month of content in 1 afternoon. Use Canva templates so every new client takes half the time of the last one. What starts as $500 a week becomes $3,000 a month as you add more clients. Then $8,000, then $15,000. Then you hire a virtual assistant on Fiverr for $200 a month to handle client communication while you focus purely on growth. This is how a solo AI business scales without burning out. 1 person, AI tools, a system, and suddenly you're running what looks like an agency. Here's your homework right now. Before you close this video, open Instagram, find 3 local businesses with weak social media. Copy that message I gave you and send it tonight. That's it. That's step 1. And if you want the exact ChatGPT prompts, the Canva templates, and the full client pitch script, subscribe because that's coming in the next video. Drop a comment below with the word stacked if you're committing to sending those messages tonight. Let's get it.